Choosing the right laptop is crucial for college students, as it needs to balance performance, portability, and affordability. Whether you're taking notes, completing assignments, or streaming lectures, having a reliable laptop can make all the difference. Here's a roundup of the best laptops for college students in 2024, offering a range of features to suit different needs and budgets. The Apple MacBook Air 13 continues to be one of the best options for students, combining power, portability, and an elegant design. The 2024 model is equipped with the Apple M2 chip, which delivers impressive performance for tasks like video editing, multitasking, and running creative applications. The 13.3-inch Retina display offers stunning visuals, making it perfect for studying, watching lectures, or unwinding with entertainment. With up to 18 hours of battery life, students can get through an entire day of classes without needing to charge. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around campus, and the fanless architecture ensures that the MacBook Air runs quietly even during heavy workloads. Apple's ecosystem also provides seamless integration with iPhones and iPads, making it a great choice for students who prefer the Apple experience. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 is a fantastic option for students who want a lightweight and affordable laptop without compromising on performance. Weighing less than 1 kilogram, this ultra-portable laptop is easy to carry between classes, making it ideal for students on the go. It features AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing strong performance for productivity tasks, note-taking, and research. The 13.3-inch Full HD display offers sharp visuals, while the 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical screen space, which is great for reading and writing. The Aero 13 also offers long battery life, up to 10 hours, ensuring students can work throughout the day without worrying about recharging. With its stylish design, strong performance, and affordable price point, the Aero 13 is perfect for students looking for a reliable laptop that won't weigh them down. For students who prefer a larger display, the Asus VivoBook 16 is an excellent option. It features a 16-inch Full HD Plus display, providing more screen real estate for multitasking, studying, or working on creative projects. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, the VivoBook 16 delivers solid performance for everyday tasks like word processing, streaming, and light photo editing. With up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD storage, students have plenty of memory and storage for documents, assignments, and media files. Despite its large screen, the VivoBook 16 remains relatively portable, and its slim design makes it easy to fit into a backpack. The laptop also includes a long-lasting battery, up to 12 hours, making it a great companion for long study sessions. Overall, the VivoBook 16 offers a great balance of performance and display size, perfect for students who need a bigger screen. For students looking for a budget-friendly option, the IdeaPad Slim 3i Chromebook 14 is an excellent choice. Chromebooks are known for their simplicity and ease of use, and the Slim 3i is no exception. It features a 14-inch Full HD display, providing clear and bright visuals for web browsing, note-taking, and video streaming. Powered by Intel's N-series processors, the Chromebook 14 delivers reliable performance for basic tasks like word processing and research. With up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of eMMC storage, it has enough memory for everyday tasks, while integration with Google Workspace makes it perfect for students who primarily use cloud-based apps. The Slim 3i offers excellent battery life, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around campus. For students who need a simple and affordable laptop for basic tasks, the Chromebook 14 is a great choice. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is a budget-friendly laptop that offers solid performance and a large display for students who need an affordable yet capable device. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD display, providing ample space for multitasking, studying, and entertainment. Powered by Intel's 12th Gen processors, the Aspire Go 15 delivers decent performance for everyday tasks like writing papers, browsing the web, and streaming content. It also comes with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, offering enough power and space for documents, apps, and media. The laptop is relatively lightweight for its size, and the sleek design makes it easy to carry between classes. With a battery life of up to 9 hours, the Aspire Go 15 is a dependable option for students who need an affordable laptop with a larger display and solid performance. In conclusion, whether you're looking for performance, portability, or affordability, these laptops offer a variety of features to suit different student needs. From the powerful and stylish MacBook Air 13 to the budget-friendly Slim 3i Chromebook, there's an option for every type of student.